What's going on, everybody? It's just another day in the kitchen, back with another episode. It's a double upload today, man. I still can't get over the news that Adidas has finally cut ties with none other than this man right here, Ye himself. Before we get started, guys, make sure you guys are following us on Instagram, social media, all that good stuff. Newly created TikTok. We're going to be posting a lot of content. Let me know you came from YouTube. I'll give you a follow back. But enough of that, guys. As much as everybody else has been kind of just digesting this news that, of course, Adidas has parted ways, they did release a statement today, and I wanted to take a look at that with you guys in this video. So, in particular, we're going to take a look at this little section right here at the end of it. It basically says Adidas is the sole owner of all design rights to existing products as well as previous and new colorways under the partnership. More information will be given as part of the company's Q3 earnings announcement on November 9th, 2022. And that's kind of all they leave us, really with here. Now, thanks to Reddit user less_translator135, we were able to actually see the patent documents, basically claiming what documents and patents Adidas actually owns when it comes to the Yeezy brand. Now, there's quite a few that were actually uploaded, and so what I wanted to do in this video is actually show you guys what actual patents and what documents Adidas actually has. So starting off, this right here is the Yeezy 750. Of course, we had to cook it up back in the day. But as you guys can see, Adidas basically owns this. So what does this mean for Ye in the future? I guess he can't have any other models or colorways that are similar. What do you guys think of that? Now, to follow up with that, we're going to be looking at the patent for the Yeezy Boost 350 stripe. Now, I actually included a photo of the reflectives that I had because you can clearly see that stripe right there, but it's kind of shocking the more that we go through these. Like, I really wonder, here's another piece, here's another patent for the 350 stripe, but I really wonder, like, are they able to just re-release these whenever they want, or do they have full creative control? I mean, the fact that he wouldn't have control over a 350. Now, as you guys can see, we're following up with a V1 right here with that really defined stitch down the center. It's kind of alarming. Like, this next patent right here, you can see it totally reminds me of like the Yeezy V1 Moonrock, and I have a picture of that coming up, but these are iconic silhouettes, iconic colorways to the Yeezy brand, the early branding. So again, I'm kind of like really surprised that Kanye does not have like any of these patents for these iconic silhouettes that, are responsible for getting a lot of people into the game, into the culture. And yeah, I'm just kind of shocked for words. I really wonder if it means Adidas can just kind of do whatever they want. I don't know if you guys saw earlier in the year, Ye went on like a big rant and was not happy that the Turtle Doves re-released, for example. So maybe this is an example of Adidas having control of those patents and really being able to do whatever they want. So let me know what you guys think. Now, to follow that up, guys, we have the patent right here for this Yeezy Foam Runner lookalike. I'm not really sure what that model is. Maybe I just haven't seen it. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. But they definitely own the technology and the shape for it. And if you ever saw one of those from Adidas, you'd think it was a Yeezy Foam Runner. Next, we're taking a look at the patent for the Yeezy 700 V3. Now, these have released already a couple of times. The photo we're about to put up is the one that we had, the blue ones that they were super popular. I think they were called like Azrael or something like that. But they also had the black one, the Alvas. I just thought they were really great in general and a really cool silhouette. Seeing the 700 was something that used to get me excited. Now, not so much. Following up with that, we've got the Yeezy boots, desert boots. Definitely don't see too many of those here in Florida. They don't get too much wear, but I'm sure up north, you guys are probably killing it with those. Next up, we have the foam runners. Again, this is a more definite silhouette per the actual patent, as you guys can see with the follow-up picture as well. So, I don't know, guys. Anything foam related from Adidas from here on out, I feel like I'm going to equate it with Yeezy, and why wouldn't we? And last but not least, guys, we've got the patent for the Yeezy 700 V2 silhouette. Now, again, correct me if I'm wrong or pronouncing any of these models incorrectly. I did throw up this reference photo here at the end. I thought the 700 V2 was really dope. I know they came out in a couple different colorways. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to take a look at these with you and honestly get your opinion. I think it's kind of crazy that all those years ago he was on Sway, Shade 45, talking about he didn't have the infrastructure. Now he's got it with Adidas. Then he kind of throws it away. I know he thinks he's fighting for something, but I think it's a shame to see the empire kind of crumble. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that it's fair of Adidas to continue putting out models that have things to do with Yeezy? Do you think that it's wrong that they let him go? Ultimately, I think that there's a lot to be studied here in this case, and it's sad. I think it's sad for sneakerheads. I think it's sad for the culture, but we got to hold ourselves accountable. I'm not excusing what he said. Yeah. So yeah, guys, thank you for making it this far. If you have, I just wanted to again point out the patents that Adidas still does own. What that means, I guess we'll see here shortly in the future. Beginning of November, they're going to make some kind of statement. But again, guys, what do you guys think is the future of Yeezy now? And yay, are you still going to be rocking Yeezys? Did you enjoy this video? If you didn't catch it at the beginning, I'm going to start uploading TikToks as well. So give me a follow on there. Let me know. I'll follow you back. Thank you for making it this far, guys. Let me know if you're still Team Kanye. What a wild ride it's been. I just hope he's safe. His mental health's all there. Pray for his family. And as always, guys, thank you for cooking with the kitchen, and take it easy. Peace.